Hello everyone, this is Dr. Muhammad Sarim, Assistant Professor at Institute of Business Management, GLA University, Mathura. I take this opportunity to familiarize you with the Finance and IB Club of Department of Management undergraduate programs at Institute of Business Management. The Finance and IB Club of IBM UG took shape in the year 2018. It is a student-driven and student-centric initiative that aims to augment the quantitative and analytical abilities of the student by bringing together the leaders from the corporate world and academia in the domains of finance and international business. The mission of the club is to enhance the employability of our students by ensuring that they stay up to date with the dynamic financial and international business environment. We work to provide a cohesive environment to encourage interaction among faculty, students, external experts and alumni. The vision of the club is to promote theory and practical inputs in such a manner that they become part of one's professional self. The club strives to create a hub of knowledge, become a platform for interactive learning and act as a facilitator for the career progression of the students in multiple manners. To achieve our vision and mission, the club has organized numerous activities in the past like workshop on investor awareness, e-filing of individual income tax return, guest lectures by experts on international business and finance, quiz competition on stock market, collage making competition, virtual stock trading game and many more. All these events have been organized to assist the students in evaluating career choices in the domain of international business and finance. Also, to identify current professional opportunities and to provide practical finance education with job-specific knowledge and to understand the nuances of international business. The club works closely with experts from financial institutions and international business to give students an exposure of the two industries. It is firmly believed that this exposure will be valuable to students as they wish to embark upon a journey either in finance or international business industry. Thus, the club provides a platform to execute the ideas of students in a practical manner. The Finance and IB Club works together with robust and dedicated team to execute the vision and mission of the club successfully. You are welcome to join this initiative at Department of Management undergraduate programs at Institute of Business Management. We look forward to you joining the legacy of GLA University, Mathura and experience this firsthand. Thank you.